Hey there. Hi. Hope you're doing well. It's really good to see you. Take care, all right?
Hey everyone, greetings from Paris. Look at that Eiffel Tower right behind me. I just wanted to hop on and say hi and thank you for coming along on this adventure. If you're enjoying the vibes, hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this with a travel buddy who'd love it here. And don't forget... In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap characters in any video using an incredible new AI tool called Higgsfield Recast. This isn't just a simple face swap. This technology is so advanced that it can realistically transfer a character's entire appearance, including their clothing and body type, into any video, all while maintaining the original video's lighting and physics. It's truly a game changer. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. You don't need any editing skills or complicated software. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process and show you just how powerful this tool is. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Higgsfield AI website. I've put a direct link for you down in the description below so you can try this out for yourself. Let's start by searching for Higgsfield Recast on Google. We'll click on the first link, which takes us directly to the character swap video creator. Once you're on the site, you'll see the Recast tool, which allows you to swap characters in any video. It's a surprisingly simple interface. Here we are on the Recast page. As you can see, it's a straightforward two-step process. You upload your source video, and then you upload a character image. To get started, we'll need to log in. I'll click the login button in the top right corner and continue with my Google account. I'll choose my account here, and just like that, we're in and ready to start creating. Now we're back on the main Recast interface. On the left, we have the Your Video section, where we'll upload the video we want to modify. And on the right, we have the Character Image section, where we'll upload the image of the person we want to swap into the video. First, I'll upload our source video. I have a video here of a man in front of the Eiffel Tower. Let it load for a moment. Next, I'll upload our character image. I'll use this picture of I Show Speed. With our video and character image uploaded, all that's left to do is click the Generate Video button. You can see it will cost 39 credits for this generation. Let's go ahead and click it. And now it's in the queue. The generation might take up to 5 minutes, so we'll just let the AI work its magic.
A few moments later.
Hey everyone, greetings from Paris. Look at that Eiffel Tower right behind me. I just wanted to hop on and say hi and thank you for coming along on this adventure. If you're enjoying the vibes, hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this with a travel buddy who'd love it here.
And wow, just like that, we've swapped the original person with I Show Speed, and it looks incredible. The lighting is perfectly matched, his expressions are there, and it even kept the Eiffel Tower in the background. Let's do one more, this time in the Recast studio for more control. Here you can act, recast anyone, upload your video, swap in any character, and even add your own voice and background. I'll start by uploading my own video. Now I need to select a character. I can either upload a photo or choose from one of the presets. Let's go with this preset of Robert Downey Jr. and click Continue. Next, we can choose the voice and dubbing. We can even clone a voice. For now, let's just go with the Andrew voice. And for the background, we have a few options like Cozy Minimal, Cozy Pink, or even a green screen. I'm going to choose Luxury Masculine. With all our settings in place, let's click Generate. This will cost 33 credits. The generation is now in the queue.
A few moments later.
Hey there. Hi. Hope you're doing well. It's really good to see you. Take care, all right?
And there it is. It has transformed my video, swapping my face with Robert Downey Jr.'s, changing my voice, and even replacing my background with a luxury room. The result is absolutely seamless. Let's download this one as well. Now let's try another one. I'll go back to the Recast studio and start a new project. This time, we're going to use this amazing video of a man skydiving. I'll upload it as our source video. Now, for the character, we're going to swap in the one and only Mr. Beast. I'll upload his photo here. Now that we have our Daredevil Skydiver and Mr. Beast, let's hit Generate. It says this one will cost 48 credits. Let's do it. And just like that, it's in the queue.
A few moments later.
This is insane! Mr. Beast is now skydiving. The AI has perfectly captured his face, his expression, and even adjusted the lighting to match the sky. Like, comment, and subscribe to Code Director. Let's go! It even dubbed the audio. This technology is just on another level. So what do you think? With Higgsfield Recast, you can now swap characters in any video with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless. If you want to try it out for yourself, and I recommend you do, the link to Higgsfield Recast is down in the description. It's free to get started. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more mind-blowing AI tools, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Code Director. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.